Let me show how to remove unwanted object from photos using content-aware fill in Photoshop. First, unlock the layer and make it duplicate. Click here and choose Lasso tool. Select object like this. Go to Edit menu and choose Fill. Click here and choose Content Aware Fill. Press OK. Press Ctrl+D for deselect. We can remove this dark shadow also to following same process. That's it. Hope you liked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more update.